Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of the word increasing. We'll explore its meaning, definitions, and a variety of synonyms to enhance your vocabulary. Let's get started. Understanding the meaning of increasing. The word increasing signifies the process of becoming greater in size, amount, or degree. It is often used to describe growth or expansion in various contexts, such as population, prices, or emotions. Understanding the nuances of this word can elevate your language skills and communication. Definition of increasing. According to the dictionary, increasing is defined as verb, to make something larger or greater. Adjective, becoming greater or larger in amount or degree. In simple terms, increasing refers to the act of growing or expanding in quantity or intensity. Synonyms for increasing. To enhance your vocabulary, let's explore some powerful synonyms for increasing. Using these alternatives can add variety to your speech and writing. 1. Expanding. Expanding means to become larger or more extensive. For instance, the company's influence is expanding globally. 2. Growing. Growing refers to the process of developing or increasing in size. Example, the growing demand for electric vehicles is evident. 3. Rising. Rising indicates an upward movement or increase. Example, the rising cost of living is a concern for many families. 4. Escalating. Escalating means to increase rapidly or intensify. Example, the escalating tensions between the two countries are alarming. 5. Surging. Surging describes a powerful, forward-moving increase. Example, the surging popularity of social media platforms continues. Contextual usage of increasing. Let's look at some sentences where increasing and its synonyms are used in different contexts. Population, the city's population is increasing rapidly due to urban migration. Prices, with inflation, the prices of essential goods are rising steadily. Interest, there is an escalating interest in sustainable living practices. Demand, the growing demand for renewable energy sources is a positive trend. Pressure, the surging pressure on healthcare systems requires immediate attention. Thank you for joining us on Thesaurus Thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video.